Welcome, weavers. In 2023, one name seems to be on everyone's lips in the vibrant tapestry of the American states: North Carolina. This southern jewel has seen a surge in population, leading many to wonder about the magnetic pull that is attracting people from all over the country. It is the mild climate that caresses the state all year, providing respite from the harsh extremes. Or is it the thriving job market with opportunities in a wide range of industries? The educational landscape, which includes renowned institutions that shape the minds of tomorrow, also plays an important role. However, these are only the first threads in the rich tapestry of reasons why North Carolina has become a popular vacation destination. This state offers a tantalizing array of landscapes and lifestyles with something for everyone, from the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains to the idyllic coastal towns. In this investigation, we'll look at the factors that have made North Carolina the go-to destination for 2023. Low cost of living. North Carolina is an appealing proposition due to its relatively low cost of living when compared to many other states in the United States. Housing in particular provides exceptional value, with options ranging from low-cost apartments to large family homes. Furthermore, everyday expenses such as groceries, transportation, and healthcare are more cost-effective. This beneficial cost structure not only gives residents financial breathing room, but it also improves the overall quality of life. North Carolina's ability to strike a balance between economic opportunity and affordability has made it an increasingly popular choice for those looking for a comfortable and sustainable way of life. Embracing North Carolina's blissful climate. North Carolina has a climate that many people consider to be a fantasy. Its residents can enjoy a year-round delight thanks to the harmonious blend of seasons. Summers exude a warm, balmy embrace, while winters keep a gentle touch, avoiding harsh extremes. Summer temperatures hover in the mid-80s, providing an ideal setting for outdoor activities. As winter approaches, the temperature settles comfortably in the mid-40s, ensuring that it never gets too cold. What distinguishes North Carolina is the presence of 4 distinct seasons, each with its own distinct charm. The blossoms of the spring give way to the balmy embrace of summer, which gracefully transitions into the vibrant tapestry of autumn. Even the mild winter has its own allure. This temperature climate allows for outdoor living to be a year-round affair, inviting residents to relish the nature's changing hues and explore its bountiful offerings. North Carolina's thriving job market. North Carolina's economy is thriving, making it an appealing destination for job seekers. The state is home to a plethora of thriving industries, with more than a dozen major corporations announcing expansion plans. North Carolina's economy is expected to grow by more than $200 billion over the next decade, creating 300,000 new jobs. Raleigh, in particular, stands out as one of the country's hottest job markets, as recognized by the Wall Street Journal. Notably, Raleigh's technology sector rivals that of Austin, with the capital region leading the nation in STEM employment opportunities. Remote work opportunities. North Carolina's infrastructure is well suited to remote work, which is a significant draw for those seeking flexible work arrangements. The state's strong technological backbone, backed by an extensive network of high-speed internet, makes it an ideal location for remote work. Because of this accessibility, professionals can connect and collaborate from virtually anywhere in the state. Furthermore, North Carolina's strategic geographic location provides easy access to major metropolitan areas, making it an appealing option for both businesses and workers. As the labor landscape evolves, North Carolina will be at the forefront, ready to embrace the needs and preferences of a modern workforce. With a favorable environment for remote work, the state provides a promising platform for professionals seeking a balanced and rewarding lifestyle. Education excellence, a hub for learning. North Carolina offers a wide range of educational opportunities, attracting both families and students. While the state's public school system may not be among the best in the country, there are a few districts that stand out. Chapel Hill, Mooresville, which includes Cary, have some of the best public schools in the country, consistently outperforming peers nationwide. The universities in the state are equally impressive, providing top-tier education. Notably, according to the U.S. News, the University of the North Carolina at Chapel Hill, Duke University, and Wake Forest University have all earned spots in the top 25 for best value. Furthermore, in-state tuition rates in the North Carolina are nearly half of those in the other states, making it an appealing option for higher education. Embracing the great outdoors in the North Carolina. North Carolina beacons with a plethora of natural wonders, inviting residents to bask in the state's limitless beauty. North Carolina offers an unrivaled range of outdoor adventures, from the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains to the picturesque coastal beaches. Amidst towering trees and the cascading waterfalls, one can find peace in the mountains. Hiking trails wind through the lush forests, leading to the breathtaking vistas that seem to reach for the havens. Whitewater rafting provides an exhilarating rush for the daring, while calm lakes provide opportunities for kayaking and fishing. The coastal areas reveal a different kind of beauty. Miles of the pristine beach invite leisurely strolls, seashell hunting, and unwinding to the soothing rhythm of the waves. North Carolina presents a myriad of opportunities for residents to immerse themselves in the great outdoors. This magnetic draw to nature's wonders is a driving force behind the surge of individuals choosing to call North Carolina home. The tax-friendly haven. In the realm of taxation, North Carolina emerged as a haven of financial advantages in 2023. With a flat income tax rate, the state simplifies the tax structure, providing clarity and ease for residents. What sets North Carolina apart is its strategic plan to gradually reduce this rate over the coming years, aiming for an enticing 3.99% by 2026. For retirees, the benefits are particularly noteworthy. North Carolina exempts Social Security benefits from taxation, a significant advantage for those looking to enjoy their golden years without financial strain. Moreover, seniors aged 65 and above can exempt up to $35,000 of their retirement income from state taxes. These tax-friendly policies make North Carolina an astute financial choice for many. In this section, we will delve deeper into the tax advantages that are drawing people to the state in 2023. Stay tuned for an in-depth exploration of the North Carolina's fiscal appeal. Thank you, dear viewers, for joining us on this exploration of the North Carolina's allure. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell for more updates on what makes North Carolina special. We're eager to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of the North Carolina intrigues you the most?